You join me back at Azure Airsoft Field, where my team will be tasked with retrieving and escorting a downed pilot to safety from a nearby crash site. Let's get into it. With enemy tangos inbound, I rush to grab the first pilot and get him out of the incoming barrage of fire.
For the queen! Can we only take one at a time?
No, we can take both.
Taking a second to regroup with my allies posted up just behind me, I scan the battlefield for a safe route. Seeing the southern woods are weak and barren, I push deeper in the hopes of using this opening to escort our pilot to the rendezvous.
Hey, I got it.
Seeing my ally, I regroup to collect intel. My shots fall just short, but keep their heads down.
Tell me that didn't hit you, come on. Oh, way down there. Yeah, we're gonna pull it down.
With two enemies down, the southern border is almost completely exposed, giving me an opportunity I can't let slip. While this player attempts to hide, I take the chance to push closer to close in on the kill shot.
Gavin, you good? Gavin, what do you got? Is it clear?
My ally informs me it's safe to move up, so I make my ascent to crest the ridge, closing in on the targeted drop-off site.
Can you help me get this? Actually, I can probably lean it there.
What do you all think? Was that a hit?
Can I see him at all? Here.
I barely caught that.
Can someone just watch that side? Do we have a medic?
Right here, yeah.
Okay, you just stay low. We're in a good spot. If any of us go down, we need backup.
I got him.
Do you think you can land that from here?
I got it from there before.
We prepare a grenade to clear the fort while I provide suppressive fire. His grenade falls just short, but luckily my support fire landed its mark.
He's hit! Move.
With their sentry out of the way, victory grows near.
Can we push up to that one? That C fort? You want to push that seaport?
We seized this open moment, pushing our pilot even deeper into enemy territory. As we approach their spawn, things will only get harder.
Can I get to you?
My shots just barely miss, so I prime my Quake to level the playing field. Unfortunately, it falls just short, but it did scare one of the enemies out into the opening.
That foot counts! Right in front of me?
With dozens of enemies returning or near respawn just 50 feet behind the evac site, I deploy smoke to enshroud our moves.
Hit!
I get caught off guard by an enemy hidden deep within our ranks, bunkered down in a fort. I take note of his location to launch a counterattack, when my medic gets me back into the game.
Sorry. Just stay low, Seth. Here, tuck in here. Get low. Hey, that's good, that's good. Oh, it smells good. 30. $45. $60. There's one still in there.
While he didn't have to call the shot through the crack, I get revenge on the enemy that ambushed me from before. The respawn is crawling with reinforcements coming back at any second to get back into the fight. I take what little time I have to pull our pilot out of the fight and make an attempt to regroup with some of my comrades posted up to the east.
Guys, can I go? The flag.
With the evac flag just feet in front of me, I take one last scan for threats before rushing forward. And with this capture, the game would come to an end with us being victorious. If you liked the video, please consider giving it a like or a comment below, as it really helps. If you're new here, please subscribe to stay up to date on future videos. Until next time, stay awesome, and I hope to see you on my field.